back with another video. Today's video is a tutorial making butter slime out of Play-Doh and hand sanitizer. So let's get on with the video. The ingredients you'll be needing: Play-Doh and hand sanitizer. Let's get straight into the video. First, you want to get your Play-Doh, right? Okay. And then get your hand sanitizer. Put it on the Play-Doh. Just put a lot of it. It will work like that. And if it doesn't, you may have used the wrong hand sanitizer. Let's mix that with the hands. And if your hands get dirty, it's totally fine. It'll kind of stain you. But that's fine. If you hear that, it's just maybe it's just sorry. And a little bit more to make it soft. Making a big mess for it, but it's okay, it's just hand sanitizer. And there we go. Once you feel it soft and nice like that, once you lay it, it's like so buttery. For this video. I hope you guys enjoyed making this butter slime out of Play-Doh and hand sanitizer. Like for more videos like this. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and more slime reviews. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!